So first and foremost, I want to talk to you guys about safety. For vertical jump training, the last thing you want is to have a back injury or have a knee injury. And especially for jumping, a lot of people will start to develop knee problems or back problems or ankle problems. And a lot of these problems could have been avoided had they just focused a little bit more on form. And for vertical jump training, it is quality over quantity when it comes to the exercises. So I cannot stress you guys enough to focus on your form. You'll see better results, and you'll see a lot less injuries if you focus on your form. Next, I want to talk, going into each workout, it is crucial that you have a warm-up. Some warm-up exercises that I like to have is I'll go for a mild jog just to get my muscles warm. You never want to go into exercises with cold muscles because you'll pull something or you'll start having knee problems. Definitely have a lot of some stretch exercises before your workout and after your workout. I like to definitely stretch out your hamstrings and your quads and your glutes. Another exercise that I like to do before my workout is I'll work out on a basketball court, so I'll walk up and down the basketball court just on my heels, and I'll just do heel walks, and that's a great exercise. It helps for flexibility, and it's a great job warming up your calves and the front of your calf muscles, where a lot of people will start to develop shin splints if they don't do this. So definitely, it's a very important stretch before a workout, and then stretch after a workout. A lot of people will just finish their workout and they'll take their protein and just go home. But I cannot stress enough, it is so important. Cool down your muscles. You'll see a lot less injuries. You'll be less sore the next day, and you'll see a lot more results with warm up and cool down.